Hi everybody, it's Nikki from my Parrot shop. It's Captain's 5th birthday today, so we're gonna have a little bit of a celebration. We're gonna make some bird-friendly treats. We're gonna unwrap some presents. Hey bud. We're gonna spend the day spoiling Captain and sharing cake with all our friends. First I have my pre-made carrot cake mix. Just gonna pour that in. I'm going to add 1/3 of a cup of sweet potato puree. I'm going to add 2/3 a cup of fruit juice. I'm going to make your birthday cake, bud. Hey? Ooh. Yeah. I'm going to add 4 eggs. Now it says to add 1/3 of a cup of cuttlebone, but I'm just going to use the eggshells from the eggs. Ooh, what you doing, bud? What'd you find? You can't have it yet, it's got a raw egg in it. You want to try some of this? Ooh. Sweet potato. Huh? I'm going to add about 300 grams of pureed sweet potato. Captain, hey Cat, do you want to try some? Ooh. Good boy. Yes. Where's the good boy? Ah, Cappy. You can't have that yet. It's got raw egg in it. It's got raw egg in it. You can't have it yet. You have to wait till it's cooked. Want one of these? Ooh. I'm gonna add 1/2 cup of raisins, 1/2 cup of desiccated coconut. I'm gonna add a tin of fruit. I'm gonna mix that all together. Now that's all mixed together, I'm just going to pour this into my cake tin. And now I'm going to bake this for 45 minutes. Alrighty, 45 minutes later, the cake's ready to come out of the oven. Got my bare mitts. It smells very fruity, but it popped right up and got very big. I'm just going to leave that to cool in the tin for a little bit longer and then I'll take it out. So for the icing, I'm going to use peanut butter and applesauce. Captain loves peanut butter, it's his favorite. A little tiny bit. Good boy. Want to try some applesauce? You're thinking about it. Oh. You want to try some? Ooh. You like that? You like the applesauce and the peanut butter together? Mmm. Okay. Cappy, is it your birthday? Hey, shall we sing happy birthday to you? I don't think you really care, but we'll do it anyway. Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cappy. Happy birthday to you.
Hip.
Hooray!
Hip.
Hooray!
Hip.
Hooray! Yay, Cappy! Oh, Cappy, do you want some cake? You don't get candles though, because that's not safe. Cap? Do you want to have some cake? Oh, only a little piece though, because there's lots of sugar in it. Oh, what's this, bud? Yeah, tiny piece of cake.
Is this your number 4 birthday?
5.
5.
He turns 5 today.
Happy 5th birthday.
Oh. Do you want some fruit salad?
On his plate. That's awesome.
You can have some fruit salad on your plate with your cake. Oh, bud. Hey, there's a fruit salad on your plate. There you are.
Just did a bow.
Cake and fruit salad. Okay. Oh. Oh, look bud. Yum. Happy birthday. You think that's mango, but it's pawpaw. Hey. Is that yummy? That one's mango. Yeah. Yum. Oh. Thanks, Cap. Oh, Cap, do you want to try some cake? Do you want to have some cake? It's got peanut butter on it. You love peanut butter. Come here. Try a little piece. Ooh, Cappy. Here, look. Nope. That's a no on the cake. Should we offer some cake to all your friends?
It's Cappy's birthday. So what you gonna do? What you gonna do when it's Cappy's birthday? You're gonna have some cakes. You're gonna get a scratch. Okay, let's get a scratch. No, I want some cake. Yeah, yummy. Whoa. Happy birthday, Captain. Happy birthday to Cappy. Happy birthday to Cappy. Happy birthday, dear Cappy. Happy birthday to you. You could eat the tablecloth, or you could eat cake. Yes. Oh, yes. Or you could eat the polka dots on the plate. Yes. You're a clever parrot. Yes, cake. 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 Good girl. Yummy, yummy. Eating Cappy's cake in the smallest pieces possible.
Ooh. Got some cake, sweetie? Good boy. Oh, you can do it. Go, birdie. Do you want to try some birthday cake? Yeah. Will you eat it? Yeah. Yummy cake. Oh, good birdie. Oh, is that good? Yeah. Taking the world's smallest nibbles. Yeah. And got the watermelon. You like that? Cap. Come open your present, bud. Hey? Do you want to come open it? Oh. You're just going to sit there, aren't you? Do I have to open your present for you? Step up. Good boy. Good boy. You're scared of your present.
A blooper.
Seeing as you don't want to open your present yourself, do you want me to open it for you? Hey, Cat? Shall we open your present? Have a look. Oh. What's this? Hey? It's okay, Cat. Oh, Cappy. Yeah, what's this? What's in there? Oh. Hey. Yeah, that's got your interest now, hasn't it? You've seen bright colours. Hey. Oh. Cappy. Look at all these toys, bud. Oh, yay! What's this? Just the brown paper that's scary. Do you want me to open this for you? Hey, oh, what's this? Oh, you want that? Do you want that? You want that? Yeah, he's a good boy. Is that good, bud? That's our Crystal Pop Large, bud. This one. Ooh, that's the shredding star, bud. Oh, is that good? Oops. What else have we got? Can you try that one? Is that good, bud? What? What about the squid? I'm going to Squidalicious. You want to try that? The Squidalicious Large. Ooh. Yeah. Do you want that? Okay. You're eating the wrong end, Cap. You're eating the wrong end, bud. Oh, you like the tag. What about this one? Ooh. Is this one a bit scary? Want to try to nibble this one? Okay. Ooh. Good boy. It's okay. This one's a bit new, isn't it? You haven't seen this one before. It's the Octopus Piñata from Planet Pleasures, hey? Yeah. That one's your favourite, isn't it, bud? You love leather knots and beads. Happy birthday, Cappy! And there you have it, guys. That's Captain's 5th birthday all wrapped up. And I think he's a bit tired and ready for bed now. I think he's all full of cake. Well, he didn't really eat the cake. He's all full of fruit salad, and we'll set up his cage with his new toys. And I think for now he can go to bed and have a rest till tomorrow. How's it feel being 5, Cap? You feel like an old birdie? You're still really a baby. Yeah, many more birthdays to come. Hey, bud. Thanks for watching, guys. Here's a birthday scratch. Hey? I'll give you a birthday scratch. You'll tuck it out? You had a big day. Good boy. Come on, let's go to bed. Night night, Cap.